All right, so we're going to do a simple Dollar Tree DIY. I have the tops of these tin containers that I got from the Dollar Tree, these little squarish, rectangular-ish like cups that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to make an easy candle holder. All right, so I wanted them different heights, so I'm just going to take two and glue them together at the opening part. Make sure you don't get too much glue on the outside because then it'll look lumpy and bumpy. But if you're doing like a textured detail to it after, then that's fine. And then I'm just going to glue the tin tops on to the bottom side of the little cups. And you can do this so many different ways. You can do this rustic. I'm just going to do mine plain and simple, but you can do it so many different ways. You can do it modern, glam. Like I said, you can do the aged like look on it. It's so many different ways you can do this, but do that, let that dry. And then once everything is dry, you have these cute little candle holders, and then I'm just going to spray paint mine. And then once it was dry, I wasn't feeling the line that was there. So I said, let me cover that up. And you can leave this just like that with the gold detail, but I was like, oh, I want everything to be the same color. So I hit mine with a bit of black, and that was it.